In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello cards, lists, and boards in this full 2024 guide. If you've ever found yourself drowning in a sea of Trello boards, or if you're simply looking to streamline and organize your workspace, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to clear up your Trello experience. Let's start by navigating to the board section. Once you're logged into your Trello account, look for the section that lists all your boards. Clicking this will present you with a visual layout of your projects. Find the board that you want to edit. This is usually one that has outlived its purpose or needs a bit of tidying up. Click on it to access your board. Now examine the content of your board. To delete a specific card, click on one of the cards. This will open a menu tailored to that card. You're going to look for the option to archive, which is a way of hiding the card from view, but not permanently deleting it just yet. After archiving, you'll see the option to delete the card. Click on delete and confirm your choice to remove that card from your Trello board forever. If you need to delete an entire list, hover over the list you want to organize. You'll notice 3 dots, a menu icon on the list header. Click this and a menu will appear. Choose archive this list to remove it from immediate view. To delete this archived list, navigate to the archived items section by clicking the 3 dots again on your board's menu and selecting archived items. Once you're there, switch to the list section and you'll find all your archived lists. Simply click the trash can icon to delete the list, then confirm by clicking on delete. This will remove it permanently. Finally, to delete an entire board, which is sometimes necessary when a project is completed or your team has decided to move in a different direction, locate the options menu by clicking the 3 dots of your board. You want to select close board, which will archive it. Confirm by clicking close. Now reopen the board section and find view closed boards. Here you'll see all your archived boards. Select the board you wish to delete and click delete, then confirm that choice again to ensure it's truly gone. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to deleting cards, lists, and boards on Trello. Deleting items can help maintain focus and keep your virtual workspace clean and efficient. Always remember to double check before deleting anything, as this action is irreversible. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.